This is the downstairs indoor air handler, HVAC indoor air handler. Looks like our room is dirty. I'm going to have to go home and do some research on this unit, see if I can determine the age. Looks like it's a fairly recent installation. This is a safety switch, alright? On a plug switch. With that, you do not need a secondary ground on your pan. Let's see if your needs manual, do not see an electric disconnect, do I? That's when I said I didn't have one. A little later I had to correct my video. See if I can avoid a moment of shame like that. Yep, we got one. We have an electric disconnect. Okay, something else we got here. Gray plastic sheathed up. Good luck replacing that. It's pretty much buried in here. That was in a class action lawsuit. Corning was one of the manufacturers. It's an obsolete system because it damages easily. That case has been settled. All the money's been paid out, no money left. There's whoever's left holding the bag with this stuff has an obsolete duct system, just saying. And again, good luck getting that replaced. And 100% replacement is probably not an option.